I love butterflies. Butterflies are something with wings. It's like butter. A butterfly is, they lay homes. Yeah, they lay eggs. It makes caterpillars. They have little babies. Oh, see it! 6, 10. There's a dotty butterfly, a purple butterfly. I think there's a black and white butterfly, or a snowman butterfly. A black and purple butterfly. Orange.
Yeah.
And black. And white. Orange. And purple. Looks like a leaf with a leaf wing. It's on the stingy one. It's on the stingy flower. Yeah, it's a wing that looks like a leaf. Green, and it looks like a caterpillar. I think it carries the leaf to its mummy to eat. It looks like red and blue and golden. A little bit of black and red. That looks like orange that got some white things on him. White lines and orange lines and black dots and big pile of black there.
Nice. Good job.